Okay. Now we will see about Vachya Prayoga or Kartari Karmani. Kartru Vachya, Karma Vachya. There are different words used. Okay, all are same. Therefore, I will be showing that how it is done and other things. Okay. Okay. You can see here. First we'll go. Prayoga means it is active voice and passive voice. But in Sanskrit we have three voices: Kartari, Karmani, Bhave Prayoga. Okay, Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, and Bhave Prayoga. Kartari means where Kartrupada is important. Karmani means where Karma Pada is important. But some sentences will not be having Karma Pada. Then the Kriya Padas will not be having Karma Padas Ichcha. Like Nidrati, we can't have Karma Pada for that. For Dhavati, there can't be Karma Pada. Hasati can't have Karma Pada. Okay, like these Kriya Padas are there where we can't change to Karmani Prayoga. Those are named as Bhave Prayoga. Okay, but there is no so much difference in the forms as in Karmani and Bhave. Forms are same, only technically there are two names. Okay, however, you don't have to name them in your exams, therefore don't have to worry about that. Only we have to know how to translate them from Kartari to Karmani and Karmani to Kartari. Okay. Sakarmaka dhatu naam Kartari Karmani Prayogo bhavata. Sakarmaka dhatus will be having Kartari Karmani. What is Sakarmaka? Where there is a Karma Pada, that is Sakarmaka. Enough that much now for you. Okay. I will not be explaining that more. Example, Rugnaha Aushadham Sevate. Rugnaha Aushadham Sevate. It is the Shabda we have. Okay. Vibhaktis, if you see, what is Karta here? The first one is Karta. The second one is Karma. And the third one is Kriyapada. Isn't it? And what is the pattern here? One pattern is used here. What is that? Karta is Prathama Vibhakti. Karma is in Dvitya Vibhakti. And Sevate Kriyapada is according to Karta. Like Rugnaha Sevate. If I make here Rugnaha, it would become Sevante. Okay, this is the pattern of Kartari Prayoga. 1 to 1. Okay, Karta will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Karma will be in Dvitya Vibhakti, and Kriya Pada will be according to the Karta. Okay, same way, if I am making any other sentence, that will be having differences. As if I make the sentence as Balakaha Phalam, then it will become Khadanti. Why? Because Balakaha has changed, isn't it? Balakaha has become now Karta, and according to Karta, Kriya Pada also in Bahuvachan. Balakaha Phalam Khadanti. Okay, and the same sentence if I make in different vibhaktis, it will be changing to different types. Okay, example, if I change here, instead of Balakaha, I will write Aham. What will happen? Aham, Phalam will be as it is. I am not changing. Okay, and Khadanti will become Khadami because I am using Aham here. Therefore, Khadanti will become Khadami. Aham, Phalam, Khadami. Okay, like this, what will happen? In Kartari Prayoga, Kartrupada will be changing according to the Kriya Pada will be changing according to Karta. Okay, here only if I make Tvam, what will happen? Tvam, Phalam, Khadasi, it will happen. Tvam, Phalam, Khadasi. Why? Because now Tvam has come. Tvam is Madhyama Purusha. Therefore, Kriya Pada also will be in Madhyama Purusha. Like 1 to 1. Prathama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti, and Kriya pada is following the Prathama vibhakti pada. That is Karta. This is called as Kartari Prayoga. From Kartari, we have to change it to Karmani. Karmani means Karma pada Pradhana. Okay. Karma pada Pradhana. Here Karma pada is important. Means Karma pada will be in Prathama vibhakti. Okay. And Kriya pada will be in according to Karma pada. And Karta will go to Tritiya vibhakti. As you remember, the sutra for Kartrupada was Kartru Karanayoho Tritiya. Karta and Karana should be in Tritiya vibhakti. That was a rule we learnt in this one, Karaka Prakarana. On that way, it will become here Karta is in Prathama vibhakti, Tritiya vibhakti, Karma is in Prathama vibhakti, and Kriya pada is according to Karma pada. Isn't it? What will happen here? 3, 1, 1. Tritiya vibhakti, Prathama vibhakti as per Prathama vibhakti shabda. 3, 1, 1 will be the this for this. Okay. Same example if you see, Rugnaha has become Rugnena. Should not change the this one, Vachana. Only vibhakti we have to change. Should not change the place also. In English what we will do? We will change the place. But here we should not change the place. We have to just change the vibhakti. Should not change Vachana also. Okay. Rugnena Aushadha Sevyate. Same way, it will become Balakaha Phalam Khadati. Balaka Bahuvachana is there, therefore it will become Balakaihi. Okay. Phalam Napumsakalinga and Phalam only in Prathama vibhakti also, Dvitiya vibhakti also Phalam only. Then Sevyate will this Khadami was there, it will become Khadyate. And for Kriya pada we are making it Yate. The simple one is Yate will be added for all Kriya padas in Karmani Prayoga. Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Therefore we should know Seva or Labha Kriya pada Rupa. Okay, Sevate, Sevete, Sevante, Sevase, Sevethe, Sevadhve, Seve, Sevavahe, Sevamahe. Atmane pada Rupa we should know. That will be helpful in Karmani Prayoga also to make Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Most of the times in the Karmani Prayoga will be having the Prathama Purusha only. We may not be having any other Purushas in Karmani Prayoga. Okay. Because the Karma Pada, the object most of the times will be something else only. Very rarely we may get the object as Aham or Tvam. Therefore, most of the times we have to use Prathama Purusha only in Karmani Prayoga. Therefore, Khadyate, Khadyete, Khadyante, Sevyate, Sevyete, Sevyante. Yate should be added for Dhatu. Then it will become Karmani Prayoga. Okay. Balakaha was Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana. Therefore, I have made Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana Balakaihi. Phalam was Prathama Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. I have changed it to Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana. It is Phalam only. And Khadami was there. Khadanti was there. Because Balakaha was Bahuvachana, therefore it was here Khadanti. Because it was 1 to 1. As per the Karta, Kriya Pada was happening. Now what happened? As per the Karma, Kriya Pada has happened. Kriya Pada has changed according to the Karma Pada. Phalam Khadyate. Balaka is not affecting on Kriya Pada here. Phalam is affecting on Kriya Pada. Phalam is in Ekavachana, therefore Khadyate is also Ekavachana. If it was here, okay, if it was here, if I had a sentence of Balakaha Phalani Khadanti, if was the sentence, Okay, or it would be balakah phalani khadati, isn't it? Balakah phalani khadati was there up. When I translate that, what will happen? Same sentence, if I am changing, balakah will become balakena, phalani will be as it is because it is napumsakalinga shabda. Prathama vibhakti and dvitiya vibhakti will be same, and khadyate, it will become khadyante because I am changing according to phala shabda, isn't it? Phalani khadyante, it is phalani khadyante, phalam khadyate, phalani khadyante. According to karma pada, kriya pada is changing. The same, if I show here, aham was there, tritiya vibhakti of aham is maya, tritiya vibhakti of aham is maya. Phalam will be as it is because it is napumsakalinga. Ekavachana and dvivachana will be same. Khadami will become khadyate only. It will not become khadye because here it was according to aham shabda, me was there. But what has happened here? Maya has come. Phalam is important here. Aham is not important here. Phalam is important here. Therefore, phalam will get khadyate. Same way, tvam will become tvaya. Tvaya phalam khadyate. Okay. This is the common pattern of this one. Kartari and Karmani. Okay. Any doubts in this? Clear about Kartari Karmani? How to change? You can have photo of this. Okay. Bhave Prayoga, where there is no karma pada will be there. There what we have to do? Only we have to change karta and kriya pada. Kriya pada will be in prathama purusha ekavachana. Kriya pada will be in prathama purusha ekavachana only there. Okay. Next we have examples. Atra Kartru padartha pradhanyam bhavati. What is the importance of Kartari Prayoga? Karta will be important in Kartari Prayoga. Karta will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. And Kriya Pada, Purusha and Vachana is decided as per the Karta. This is the rule for Kartari Prayoga. If same thing if you see in Karmani Prayoga, examples are this one. In Karmani Prayoga, Karma Pada is important. Kartru Pada will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma Pada will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Kriya Pada will be following Karma Pada. And Yate will be added for Atmane Pada, Kriya Pada. Yate will be added. That is the rule for Karmani Prayoga. Okay. And we have examples karta, karma, kriya for Kartari Prayoga. Vaidyaha aturam pashyati. Vaidyaha ekavachana, therefore pashyati is in ekavachana. Vaidyaha aturam pashyanti. Vaidya is in bahuvachana, therefore pashyanti is also in bahuvachana. As per the karta, kriya pada is there. Vaidyaha aturan pashyati. Vaidya is seeing so many patients. Here, patients is in bahuvachana, but it is not affecting on the kriya pada because kriya pada is according to karta. Vaidya is in ekavachana. Vaidyaha dhavati. Saha vyayamam karoti. Same way, if you take yourself as Vaidya, aham aturam, what will happen? Pashyami. Aham aturam pashyami. Okay. Because aham is used, therefore it will become me. These are the sentences what we can do with Kartari Karmani. Okay. This is Kartari Prayoga. The same thing, the same sentences. If we change to Karmani, what will happen? Vaidyena aturaha drishyate. Pashyati Kriyapada's original form is Drish Dhatu. And Yate is added, it will become Drishyate. Vaidyena aturaha drishyate. Vaidyaha aturam pashyati was there. It has become Vaidyena. Aturam has become Aturaha. Karta in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma in Prathama Vibhakti. And Kriya Pada will be getting Yate. Therefore, Vaidyana Aturaha Pashyati. Drishyate. The same thing if you change here. Vaidyena Aturaha Drishyate. The second sentence was Vaidyaha Aturam Pashyanti. Doctors are seeing the patient. Here it will become Vaidyaihi. Vaidyena was Ekavachana. Vaidyaihi is Bahuvachana of Tritiya Vibhakti. Therefore, Vaidyaihi Aturaha Drishyate. Okay. And third sentence was Vaidyaha Aturan Pashyati. Bahuvachana was there here in Karma Pada. Now what will happen? Here Bahuvachana will come in Kriya Pada. Drishyante, it has happened. Because Karma Pada has changed to Bahuvachana now. Therefore, Kriya Pada also will get Bahuvachana. Vaidyena Aturaha Drishyante. Saha Rogena Pidyate was there. Tena Rogaha Pidyate. He is suffering from the roga. Okay. And one more sentence we had there. Aham aturam pashyami. What will happen? Aham aturam pashyami was a sentence. Aham will become maya. Aturaha will be as it is. It will become drishyate. Maya aturaha drishyate. Because there aham was there. Karta was important, therefore Uttama Purusha was used. Aham Pashyami was there. Here when I come, it has become Maya. Atura, Karma Pada is important here and it will become Drishyate. Okay. This is the common format of Kartari and Karmani Prayoga. Okay. Yeah. In Kartari Prayoga, Karmani Prayoga, what we should remember is, in Kartari Prayoga, 1, 2, 1 means Karta will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Karma Pada in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Kriya Pada will be common. Okay. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? Karta will be going to Tritiya Vibhakti. Karta is changed to Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma is changed to Prathama Vibhakti. And Kriya Pada will be getting Yate form. And it is having Vachana according to the Karma Pada. Karma Pada is in whichever Vachana, that Vachana will be followed in for verb. Okay. That is the main thing we have to remember. Okay. Any other doubts?
ಸರ್ ಕರ್ಮಣಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಬಾಲಕೈ ಫಲಂ ಕಾದಾಯತೆ ಅಂತ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಫಲಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏಕವಚನ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಬಾಲಕೈ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹುವಚನ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೊದ್ಲು ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲಕೈಹಿ ಫಲಂ ಖಾದ್ಯತೆ, ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಕರ್ತರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಾಲಕಾಹ ಫಲಂ ಖಾದಂತಿ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನನಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಕರ್ತ ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಕರ್ಮ ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ಖಾದಂತಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಕರ್ತೃಪದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುವಚನದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ನಾನೀಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕರ್ತವನ್ನು ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಾಲಕಾಹ ಬಹುವಚನ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬಾಲಕೈಹಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಲಂ ಶಬ್ದದ ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ ರೂಪ ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಥಮ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫಲಂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಫಲಂ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೇ ಉಳಿತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇದರಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅದು ಪ್ರಥಮ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯತೆ ಅಂತೂ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೇರಿಸಿದೆ. ಖಾದ್ಯತೆ ಅಂತಾಯ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ವಚನ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಮಪದದ ಅನುಸಾರ ನಾನು ವಚನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ಮಪದ ಏನಿದೆ, ಫಲಂ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲು ಕರ್ತರಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಬಹುವಚನ ಇತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ್ದು. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಏಕವಚನ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಮಪದ ಏಕವಚನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಏಕವಚನ ಬಂತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಅಹಂ ಫಲಂ ಖಾದಾಮಿ ಅನ್ನುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅಹಂ ಫಲಂ ಖಾದಾಮಿ, ಅಹಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಪುರುಷ ಏಕವಚನ ಇತ್ತು, ಕರ್ತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಖಾದಾಮಿ ಅನ್ನೋಲು ಉತ್ತಮ ಪುರುಷ ಏಕವಚನ, ಖಾದಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಕರ್ಮಣಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕರ್ಮಪದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಹಂ ಅಂತಿರೋ ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಮಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ತೃತೀಯ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಅಹಂ ಶಬ್ದದ್ದು. ಫಲಂ ಪ್ರಥಮ ವಿಭಕ್ತಿ ಬಂತು, ಫಲಂ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಉಳಿತು. ಈಗ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾದಾಮಿ ಅಂತಿತ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅಹಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಫಲಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪುರುಷ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುರುಷನೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಯ ಫಲಂ ಖಾದ್ಯತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುರುಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅನ್ವಯ ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು.